In the heart of the Canadian Rockies lies a jewel unlike any other. Moraine Lake, a vision so surreal it feels like a dream painted by nature itself. Its waters shimmer in shades of sapphire and turquoise, a brilliance born from glacial silt carried down by ancient rivers of ice. This is no ordinary lake. It is the poetry of mountains and glaciers, captured in liquid blue. Towering peaks embrace the shoreline, their rugged majesty mirrored in the stillness below. Here sunlight is an artist, brushing the lake with ever-changing hues, from soft teal at dawn to deep azure at dusk. Every step along its trails reveals a new masterpiece. The whisper of pines, the distant call of wildlife, the gentle ripple across the water, all weaving together a harmony of pure wilderness. Travelers from across the world come here, not just to see but to feel, to stand in silence and witness the untamed beauty of Canada's wild heart. Moraine Lake is more than a destination. It is a reminder that nature is the greatest storyteller of all, a hidden gem, an azure jewel, and the spirit of Canada itself. Thank you for joining us on this journey. For more cinematic escapes to the world's most breathtaking places, don't forget to subscribe.